How to fix WhatsApp could not start error in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here WhatsApp. Now here you can check if your WhatsApp have any update, then update your WhatsApp. After update your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general. After clicking on general, then here you can see the option iPhone storage. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on WhatsApp. Now here you can offload your WhatsApp app and then reinstall WhatsApp. After offload your WhatsApp app, then here you can see the option reinstall app, then click on reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.